So today I'm filming with the Canon EOS M50. And why? Because I just want to challenge myself. I think there are a lot of people also, they are on low budget, can't afford Canon EOS R. And I believe that also with the Canon EOS M50 to do awesome image quality and awesome videos and awesome pictures. Let's check it out. Hello ducks, how are you? Don't be afraid, don't be afraid. Don't run away. Bye guys, bye bye. Hey, what's up guys, how you doing today? And today, as I said in the beginning, we talk about the Canon EOS M50. And why I'm choosing the Canon EOS M50 today is because this camera on Amazon right now for less than 600 euro in a kit with a kit lens. I highly recommend to buy the 11 to 22 millimeter lens. It's a little bit more expensive. The body I saw already for 500 euro, just the body. And you can make really awesome pictures and also videos in Full HD. The camera can also shoot in 4K, which I do not recommend because no, it's not so good. But Full HD is fine. And when you start to make photography, if you see here with my daughter, in photography, not in video, but in photography, you have the autofocus eye detection. And that helps a lot. And when you're using also the EF lens, because you can have a mount for EF lens, you can use all EF lenses. And of course the body is one thing, but if you have great lenses, your image quality makes a step up or two. What I do really love is from the beginning that this camera is very light, it's small. I'm using now here a small rig because then I can add some other accessories on the camera. And most advantage is the flip LCD screen, where I think there are not many cameras in this price range having a flip LCD screen. And this flip LCD screen is also great because all the operation you want to do on the menu in the Canon EOS M50 and all operations you want to do on the camera, on the display, because it's a touch display and everything you can select by touching into the display during the menu. Another great thing is that you can also connect a microphone. Here I'm using the Rode Video mic. And you can also attach an HDMI monitor to record or just to see your image. Hey, that's from my side today. I hope you enjoy and love the video. Hit the subscribe button, make a thumbs up, and if you want to know more about the Canon EOS M50, because there are huge things I can explain, I can make a video for about 5-6 hours just talking about this baby. Let me know down below in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Stay healthy. Peace.